land by taking the fight against poverty to your neighborhood. Nearly 80% of what influences a person's health is tied to non-medical issues.
We're talking about things like transportation, housing, and food you have access to. News 5's Homa Bash shows us the unlikely company working to change how people live.
Where you live has a lot to do with your health, and data shows people in Cleveland, one of the poorest cities in the country, have plenty of obstacles when it comes to their well-being.
Things that impact people that maybe you and I don't normally think about could be a detriment to them staying healthy and being able to get about in the community and to live a full life.
Things like food, housing, and transportation, they're all called social determinants of health. Health insurance company United Healthcare just gave out more than $1 million in grants to 4 Cleveland nonprofits to help tackle those issues. Senior Citizen Resources in Old Brooklyn is using the money to purchase these transportation vans. They'll help seniors get to food banks, grocery shopping, doctor's appointments, and a lot more.
Wherever we could create community for the older population, it's a huge benefit, not only to those seniors themselves, but to all of society.
United Healthcare says oftentimes the healthcare system directs a lot of its financial resources to treating illnesses instead of addressing underlying social needs. That is something they're working to change.
So it's an important mission that we have to really work within the communities to help them have access to better health care, have access to healthy food, and just live healthier lives.
United Healthcare says they'll be making similar grants every year. They've even created a committee to figure out where the need is most in Ohio and specifically here in Cleveland. Homa Bash, News 5.
If you know of a group trying to fight back against poverty and its impacts, please let us know. You can fill out a form under the Better Land section of our News 5 app.
Seven Hills